Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be installing and styling and coloring this unit. If you guys are interested in seeing that whole process, then continue to watch. Skirt! I forgot to say, please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and to the ones that are subscribed, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit the notification bell below as well so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with dyeing this hair, right? I'm using the Loreal HiColor in brown. I have it in the color cool light brown. Now this is where reading is fundamental comes in place, okay? Because my thinking was, oh, I'm just about to pour this on there, and I did not read the instructions. You're supposed to mix it with the developer. Don't ask me why I didn't pay that any attention. I knew that and I still didn't do it. Like, I was just so set on, please let this color come out right. And I didn't even use a developer. But at the end, I end up putting developer on it. So it kind of was just backwards. I didn't mix it all together. But once I got the color, the hair dye on the hair, then I added the developer. And then it spread. So then the color took. But I'm just saying, reading is definitely fundamental.
Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on.
Alright guys, so that was the quick process or quick preview of me installing this unit as well as coloring it and styling it. So I would have to say that I do believe this unit is beginner friendly as far as installing it if you color it, if you took like the steps that I took. So let me explain what I mean by that. As you guys saw, I did color this hair with one of the Loreal HiColor permanent hair dyes. Never used those before, but I would definitely be using them a lot more often when I need a brown shade, because the color payoff with those are extremely good. I'm not really sure if you could tell so much on camera, but my hair is most definitely brown. So the next color I'm going to try from them is going to be the soft auburn, which is going to bring it like to more of a light brown. This one was more of a chocolatey brown is what it gave me. It's more chocolate for sure. So the hair that I'm going to be reviewing today comes from NaijaBeautyHair. I do want to say thank you to NaijaBeautyHair for sending me this unit. I usually am a little bit afraid to try this length of hair. I think it's cute though. Like, I think the style came out very cute. Do I personally feel like this is something that I'm going to go for a lot more often? No, I just personally like longer hair. That is what I prefer. I want some tresses hanging down my back. But if you like short hair, it is really cute. They have it cut into like a bob. I'm going to give you a 360 view. Do not judge if it looks crazy in the back, because I can't see the back and I did not straighten it before putting it on my head. I straightened it afterwards. So yeah guys, that's the back of it. This is the front of it. As you see, it's a little bit longer in the front, shorter in the back. This cut kind of makes me feel like I have kids. Like, I feel like this is a mom hairstyle, but she's cute. Like, I think this makes you look mature. So as far as the lace is blendable. I did go in with some powder. I think it's a transparent lace. I'm not 1000% sure. I think it is. I'm going to put it in the description box below for sure of what it is. Now, I bleached the knots while I was dyeing the hair, and it did kind of bleed a little bit, so I ended up having to go in with like some darker powder to like correct those little areas, you know what I mean. And I did add some powder to my parting space, which I felt the parting space was actually pretty visible before adding the powder, but I needed it to just brighten up just a little bit for me. Now I did go in and I plucked this unit with like just a little bit of plucking. Like, it wasn't my usual heavy amount of plucking, it was very little. And I think because of the color of the hair, it was a little bit easier to not have to pluck it. Since it's chocolate brown, it kind of just blended in pretty well with my skin tone in that matter. But I would say if you get this unit and you do not color it, you probably will have to pluck it some. It's not thick, but if you want that more of a natural hairline, you'll have to go in and pluck it some. Didn't have any issues with any shedding or tangling. I don't feel like shorter units usually don't tangle as easy as longer hair, but it definitely didn't shed. It still has this nice soft texture to it after coloring it. The texture of the unit is straight. It's a 13x6 lace frontal, I'm sure. It might be by 4, but I'm pretty sure it's 13x6. Not too heavy on the positivity on that. I did put their wax stick in on my flyaways. I flattened it with my hot comb because the roots were a little bit thick, and I did blow dry it, but I think it came like with the roots thick, and I like it flat. But I think if I do wear this unit again, I'm going to end up teasing it and making it a little bit thicker here, so it's kind of like a happy, full, voluminous, you know, bang here. But I liked the style purpose for, you know, where I'm going for right now with this video. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you again to Naija Beauty for sending me this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I felt like it was a little bit different as far as styling purposes as well as color. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And that's all I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.